Today, we invite you to tag along for the ride. Me and the crew are performing a commercial evap coil replacement. As you can see, there's quite a few tools involved in a project like this one, and most of them are heavy. We had to rope them up to the roof and transport roughly 100 feet from the edge of the roof over to our work area. The guys had to cut the safety cage in order to access the coil. Therefore, we had to get the welder involved. Since we have the panel off, it just makes sense to go ahead and fix the dangling insulation. Shout out to Freddy's Welding, coming in clutch with last-minute notice. Thanks for bailing us out, buddy. For the next time, we'll try to catch the entire process. We were running out of time and couldn't capture any more footage. If you are a new technician coming up in the trades, I hope you're able to catch a glimpse of what it takes to change out a commercial RTU coil. And if you are a super experienced technician looking to criticize, I hope it gave you enough material to work with. Till next time.
Thanks for watching.